Imagine riding down the highway on what looks like an ordinary tricycle, only to discover that it's actually a fully functional tiny home on wheels. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly what this incredible camper tricycle RV concept brings to life. It's compact, futuristic, surprisingly practical, and unlike anything you've probably seen before. Stick around because the features get even more impressive as we go. At first glance, the camper tricycle RV catches your attention with its unique three-wheel design and sleek modern styling. It blends the simplicity of a tricycle with the comfort of a compact RV, creating a vehicle that's built for adventure without the bulk of a traditional motorhome. It's designed for travelers who want freedom, flexibility, and the ability to explore places where larger campers simply can't go. Despite its incredibly small footprint, this concept makes excellent use of every inch of available space. The cabin is carefully designed to maximize comfort while keeping everything organized. Imagine stepping inside and finding a cozy sleeping area, compact seating, clever storage compartments, and a functional workspace all packed into a surprisingly efficient layout. Every detail is focused on making life on the road simple and enjoyable. One of the most exciting aspects of this camper tricycle RV concept is its lightweight construction. Because it's much smaller than a conventional RV, it's easier to maneuver through city streets, narrow mountain roads, and scenic countryside routes. Parking becomes far less stressful, fuel efficiency improves dramatically, and spontaneous road trips suddenly become much more realistic. The futuristic exterior design isn't just about looking good. Its aerodynamic shape helps reduce wind resistance while giving the camper an eye-catching appearance wherever it goes. Whether parked beside a peaceful lake, surrounded by forests, or cruising along coastal highways, this tiny RV stands out with its bold and modern personality. Now let's talk about the interior, because that's where this concept really shines. Although compact, it feels surprisingly inviting thanks to smart design choices. Large windows allow natural light to flood the cabin, making the space feel much larger than it actually is. Multifunctional furniture transforms throughout the day, allowing one area to serve multiple purposes. During the daytime, it becomes a comfortable living space, while at night it transforms into a relaxing sleeping area. Storage is another impressive feature. Hidden compartments beneath seats, overhead cabinets, and fold-away shelving help keep everything organized without creating clutter. For solo travelers or adventurous couples, this layout provides everything needed for extended road trips. Many concept designs also imagine eco-friendly technology becoming part of the package. Solar panels integrated into the roof could provide renewable energy for lighting, charging electronics, and running small appliances. Combined with efficient battery systems, this tiny camper could support off-grid adventures without relying heavily on external power sources. The driving experience would likely be equally unique. With its smaller size and lighter weight, the camper tricycle RV promises easier handling than traditional campers. It offers the perfect balance between motorcycle freedom and RV comfort, allowing travelers to enjoy open roads while still bringing their home along for the journey. Who is this camper really for? It's ideal for digital nomads, weekend explorers, solo adventurers, photographers, campers, and anyone dreaming of escaping busy city life without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on a full-sized motorhome. It represents a growing trend toward minimalist living, affordable travel, and sustainable exploration. Of course, this is still a concept, meaning some of these features may evolve before reaching production. But concepts like this inspire the future of recreational vehicles by showing what's possible when creativity meets smart engineering. As more people embrace tiny living and flexible travel, vehicles like this could become a common sight on roads around the world. So what do you think? Would you trade a traditional RV for this incredible camper, tricycle, tiny home on wheels? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing camper concepts, futuristic RVs, and innovative travel vehicles, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.